Look at cupcakes.
We appreciate working with you. That's just Artemis. That's the same
Artemis.
thing that.
I think it's just a box.
Yeah.
Santa.
Got it.
Oh.
What is it?
What is it?
Swiss Army knife.
What is it?
Swiss Army knife.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, it is.
May I do
We
that?
told you we thought it was something bigger. Well, let Jack open it.
Oh yeah, that was a
That's what
pretty
you
nice
wanted to
trick.
do. Yeah. Oh.
Oh yeah, this is fancy.
Yeah.
That's a lot of tools.
Yeah.
You know, you have to use your fingernails to open the lot, and then we'll have to make sure that you don't want them too short or too long, because if it's too long, it'll break. Careful.
If it's too short, you cannot.
And you cannot take it to school.
You cannot take it to school. That's
No.
correct. Some scissors. Let Jack discover that.
Tweezers. Okay.
These two blankets.
Uh,
What do you say to Santa, Jack?
Thank you.
Give me a big smile.
Mhm.